Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning ma. Today's vocabulary: treacherous, Treacherous, demure, Demure, devout, Devout, persecute, Persecute. First one, treacherous, disloyal, that is two-faced people. Someone who is treacherous pretends that they support you but secretly tries to harm you. Backstabbing people. Synonyms: faithless, unreliable, two-faced, betraying, unloyal, untrustworthy, deceptive. All these words leads to synonyms. Antonyms: honest, faithful, forthright, true, harmless, loyal. Example: Sheila's stepmother was a treacherous, selfish woman. Demure, pertaining to women. Normally this word exclusively will be used for women only, so especially of women. Shy, reserved, quiet and well behaved, humble, modest, reticent, retiring. Antonyms: forward, brash, shameless, outgoing, aggressive. Example: we thought Tina was demure by nature, but later proved we were wrong. Here I told you already. Remember one more word: demur. So E is not there. Demur. Raise objections and show reluctance. So that is what the meaning of demur. Demur. Clear? Devout, religious, having or showing deep religious feelings or commitment. Pious, devoted, passionate, jealous, fervent, ardent. And antonyms: insincere, unbelieving, dishonest, apathetic, unexcited, indifferent, frigid. Example: no doubt my wife is a devout lady. Persecute, harass, to frequently annoy or threaten someone, or even we can say to treat someone unfairly or cruelly because of their race, religion, or based on political reasons or political beliefs. Synonyms: torment, domineer, oppress, torture, ill-treat, victimize, maltreat, tease, tyrannize. Antonyms: comfort, console, soothe, please, neglect, ignore, aid, assist. Example: the new boss kept on persecuting a few employees.
Euphoria, Euphoria. Scour, Scour. Euphoria, a state of intense happiness and self-confidence or excitement, or extreme happiness, sometimes more than is reasonable in a particular situation. Synonyms: jubilation, frenzy, exultation, joy, bliss, heaven, paradise, madness, swoon, ecstasy, dreamland. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: discourage, sadden, disparate, misery, sorrow, despair, woe. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: I felt a wave of euphoria when I got 100 out of 100 in maths exam. Scour, to search a place or a thing very carefully, or clean or brighten the surface of something by rubbing it hard. Synonyms: scrub, clean, wash, polish, hunt, brush, wipe, cleanse, rub, search. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: pollute, tarnish, smear, taint, ignore, overlook, rust. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: we scour the toilets every day. Another example can be given: the police are scouring the area for the missing child. Triumph, Triumph. Cynosure, Cynosure. Triumph, a very great success, victory, or achievement. Synonyms: accomplishment, mastery, rejoicing, prevail, conquer, win, festivity, exultation, jubilation. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: lose, non-achievement, loss, sorrow, failure, disaster, forfeit. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the 100th day of daily vocabulary is a triumph for TP Chennai and followers. Cynosure: a center of attraction or attention. Synonyms: focus, central point, paradigm, celebrity, trump, essence, epitome, guidance, exemplar, apotheosis. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: flaw, worst, imperfection, brim, fringe, peripheral, borderline, margin. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Pamela, the bride, has been the cynosure of everyone in the marriage hall. With that, we'll end our today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.